For exclusive content that Shakaama offers, join us over at Patreon as supporter of the Shakaama Live Show. That's video content you won't see on YouTube that can help you grow and maintain your wealth, financial education wrapped up in plain English, and video series of interesting and thought-provoking topics. Join us at bit.ly/patronshack. It's the first link in the information box. U.S. October retail sales beat expectations. Prior month revised up. Welcome to the Shakaama Live Show with your host, Shakaama. November 15th, U.S. retail sales rose more than expected in October as households bought motor vehicles and a range of other goods, pointing to sustained economic strength that could allow the Federal Reserve to raise interest rates next month. The Commerce Department said on Tuesday retail sales increased 0.8% last month, also boosted by demand for building materials, likely as households cleaned up and made repairs in the wake of Hurricane Matthew. September retail sales were revised upward to show a 1.0% increase instead of the previously reported 0.6% rise. The combined September and October sales gain was the largest two-month rise since early 2014. Sales were up 4.3% from a year ago, including automobile, gasoline, building materials, and food services. Retail sales jumped 0.8% last month after an upwardly rise of 0.3% gain in September. These so-called core retail sales, which correspond most closely with the consumer spending component of gross domestic product, were previously reported to have risen 0.1% in September. Economists had forecast overall retail sales increasing 0.6% and core sales advancing 0.3% last month. The retail sales report added to data this month showing a rapidly tightening labor market and signs of turnaround in the manufacturing sector, and underscoring the economy's strengthening at the start of the fourth quarter. It has also bolstered views that the Federal Reserve will raise interest rates at its December 13th to 14th policy meeting. The Fed this month left interest rates unchanged, but said its monetary policy setting committee judges that the case for an increase in the federal fund rate has continued to strengthen. The U.S. Central Bank raised its benchmark overnight interest rate last December and has held it steady since, largely because of concerns over low inflation. The economy grew at a 2.9% annualized rate in the third quarter. The Atlanta Fed is currently forecasting the economy growing at a 3.1% annualized rate in the fourth quarter. Last month, auto sales rose 1.1% after increasing 1.9% in September. Retail sales were also boosted by receipts at service stations, which advanced 2.2% as gasoline prices increased. Sales at building materials stores increased 1.1%. Receipts at online retailers surged 1.5%. Sales at restaurants and bars, however, fell 0.7%, likely as the stormy weather kept people at home. Receipts at sporting goods and hobby stores rose 1.3%. Thank you for watching the Shakaama Live Show.